Welcome friends. In this video we'll demonstrate the method for making the development of a pyramid. So we are given a pentagonal pyramid. So as you know, the development basically includes the true shape of all the surfaces, and basically we normally focus on the curved surfaces. So we need the true shape. So on the true shape we'll always have the true lengths. So we need to start with some true length. So the procedure is, so first of all we'll get the true length, true slant edge length. So we are having in our front view as well as in the top view number of slant edges visible. So but we understand that many of them have only the apparent views. So many of them are just the apparent lengths, they are not true lengths. Now which one is the true length of them? So for that we'll go back to the concepts of the projections of lines. We note that one of the view of the line should be parallel to xy line, and the other view, if one of the view is parallel to xy line, the other view of that particular line will be the true length. So we note one of the slant length which is parallel to xy line is OD. So from this we conclude that O dash D dash is the true length available. If suppose it is not available, then we need to do a procedure as we did in the case of lines. We will need finally the true length. Here fortunately we have one true length directly available to us. So O dash D dash is the true length. So this is the starting point. We will start with this. So the procedure is copy this particular true length. Okay, so some base edge you take and you copy it as it is, the true length. Now draw the arc with the center point method, and the center at I think I will need to retype it. Arc center point method, center at this point, this end, and the starting point at this end, and we draw the arc. Some length we make, we don't know how much we will need. Now on this arc we need to cut the base edges. So this particular slant edge, let us label it as OA, believing that we have been asked to develop the surface of the solid starting with the OA edge. Sometimes it may be asked, sometimes if nothing is asked you can start from any edge. So from OA we are starting in the counterclockwise direction we shall go. Please note the A, after A the B comes in the counterclockwise direction. So O, A, B, C, D, E, and again going back to A, it will complete one round. So we need to complete one complete round. So in the beginning we have OA, at the end also we should have OA. So overall we have 5, but because OA will repeat at the beginning and at the end, so we will have actually 6 number of slant edges showing up in our development. And how to just make the starting, the next slant edge, where to locate. So to locate that along the arc we need to cut the distance equal to the base edge. The base edge is, you can easily read, it is 4 grid spaces. That means 1 AutoCAD unit. So what we do, from A we draw an arc or a circle. Okay, let us use a circle command. So circle with the center at A, and the radius, specify the radius is 1. That means 1 AutoCAD unit or 4 grid spaces. So this one. So the point of intersection of the circle and the arc, that is point B. Okay, so from here, from A, you can draw the base edge, that A to B. So please also note that it is normal practice to label the points on development using capital letters, because they represent the true lengths. So, and you can now remove this line. So we need to join it with O also. Yes. So now the next point is C. So to locate that, we can use a simpler procedure. So we can simply mirror. So we can use mirror command. So I need this base edge, this slant edge, and I can choose this and this as the mirror, OB as the location of the mirror, and I get the new point. So that point is C. So this point I can label as C. And similar way, I need to go up to A again. So so if I start like this, O2 I take, I'll be able to reach up to E. So I'll rename them E and E. Oh, sorry, this is D. And one more I need. For that, I take only one. Take the mirror at OE. Using the endpoints, I select OE accurately, and this gives me point A back. I can remove now this arc, and the development is complete. Thank you.